Hello, Henry. Say hello. You waving hi. Oh, chunker.
Happy boy. You looking at Daddy, huh? You looking at Daddy?
Hey, little buddy.
You look at your mama. Huh? You look at your mama? Hello there. Hi. You are looking at your mama. We spend so much time together, don't we? You know me. I'm your mama. You say mama?
He's like, I haven't seen Daddy today. I want to look at him.
Mama? You say mama? Yeah. Say mama loves you. Mama loves you. Look at those lips. They're the cutest little things. Those lips are so cute. So we had a big day today. Our umbilical cord fell off.
Ooh.
We had a big poopy.
Ooh, good boy.
And we got a bath. Huh?
Oh, all clean. All clean.
Now we're at the doctor's office. Yeah. We had a busy day. Busy day. Busy day. Busy day with Mama. Hmm? Oh,
Bless you. Bless
bless
you.
you. What was that, huh? You're thinking, what was that? Why do I do that? Why do I do that? Huh? Why do I do that?
Say bye-bye, Henry.
Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, buddy.